This is an example of one of the thousands of possibilities offered by customizable board game accessories for 3D printers. In this example, we show how to create inserts for the game Root. The first thing we did was measure all the components and write them down in a notebook for easy reference. As you can see, the files are already organized in a folder with all the necessary parts. The files are very easy to modify. Height, wall thickness, everything depends on the chosen file. For this case, we use the joining elements, text space, and rectangular container files. Once they are ready, you only need to export them for printing. Files have clearance adjustments for joints, making them easy to modify for later assembly. Once the inserts come out of the 3D printer, all that's left is to assemble them. In this case, we mostly use the joining elements file, which allows us to join pieces and create interesting sets, mixing meeples with their cardboard tokens, whether round or square. And finally, this is how the whole set looks.